Welcome to day 4 of your 5-day hormone reset. You've been doing such a fantastic job focusing on your health this week. Today, we're diving into a topic that's foundational for your hormones and your overall well-being: sleep. Sleep is not just about resting. It's when your body gets to work on restoring itself. Poor sleep can have a ripple effect on your hormones, leaving you feeling tired, moody, and craving unhealthy foods. But when you optimize your sleep, you're giving your body the time it needs to rebalance, repair, and recharge. So how does sleep affect your hormones? When you don't get enough quality sleep, your stress hormone, cortisol, stays elevated. This can throw off your other hormones, including estrogen and progesterone. On top of that, poor sleep disrupts the balance between your hunger hormones, ghrelin and leptin. This can make you feel hungrier, cause cravings, and make weight management more difficult. By focusing on improving your sleep, you're giving your body a chance to reset these hormones naturally. Let's get into today's action steps. You can follow along in your workbook, where you'll find all of this outlined in detail. Step 1, create a sleep-friendly environment. Your bedroom should be a calm, inviting space. Keep it cool, dark, and quiet. Use blackout curtains, a white noise machine, or an eye mask to block out distractions. Remove electronic devices like TVs or phones to reduce blue light exposure, which can disrupt melatonin production. Step 2, set up a consistent sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends, helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Step 3, practice an evening wind-down routine. Spend 30 to 60 minutes before bed doing something relaxing like reading, journaling, or gentle stretching. Avoid stimulating activities like scrolling through your phone or watching intense TV shows, which can keep your mind too active. Step 4, incorporate sleep-supportive foods. Certain foods can promote relaxation and melatonin production, like cherries, almonds, bananas, or herbal teas such as chamomile or valerian root. Adding these to your evening snack or meal can help prepare your body for a restful night. And finally, take a moment to reflect with today's journal prompt. In your workbook, you'll find this question: what are your current sleep habits, and what changes can you make to improve your sleep quality? Write down 1 or 2 changes you'll try this week and outline a simple evening routine to help you wind down. Here's a bonus tip: try gratitude journaling before bed. Writing down 3 things you're grateful for can calm your mind, reduce stress, and set a positive tone for restful sleep. As always, if you have any questions or need support, feel free to email me at drnicolesmith@antigravitywellness.com. Tomorrow, we'll wrap up the 5-day hormone reset by talking about mindset shifts to help you sustain the progress you've made and keep moving forward. I am so proud of everything you've done so far. Let's finish strong. See you tomorrow.